Welcome back, you're with Goa 365. Keith Vaz, MP of Leicester City, is in Goa in connection with the visit of the under-14 team of the Leicester City Football Club that is slated to play with local teams as part of the India-Leicester Football Initiative.
Addressing the press on Wednesday, MP Keith Vaz thanked the Goa Football Association for initiating such a program.
We are delighted to be here. For me, it is a wonderful fulfillment of expectations that we've had over the last 3 years to bring a team from Leicester to Goa. And I want to begin by thanking, in particular, the Goa FA. The Goa FA has promoted football locally for many, many years, and the fact that we've come here is because of the hard work of all of you.
MP Vaz also spoke about the raison d'etre for the Leicester India initiative.
We know that Goa is the #1 state in India as far as football is concerned, and we regard Leicester as the #1 city in the United Kingdom for football. Forget all the other teams, it's Leicester that we want you to work with. That's why we've created the Leicester India initiative that is supported by the British High Commissioner in Delhi, Dickie Stagg, the chairman of the Leicester City Football Club, Milan Mandrick, and I, and lots of other people. We want to make sure that this is not just a one-off visit, that we continue with this relationship.
Mr. Vaz further spoke about the Goan footballer who would be chosen to avail a scholarship to train in Leicester.
What we have agreed to do, thanks to the support of Air India, is to choose one young Goan player under the age of 16 to come and train with us in Leicester. And that scholarship is going to be named after another famous Leicester player, also a player for England. He's not as famous as Alan Birchnell, but he's almost as famous. Someone called Gary Lineker, who you, I'm sure, have all heard of, who currently hosts Match of the Day, has got a long history of involvement with our club, and the Lineker Scholarship will bring over a young Goan. On Thursday, there will be trials to choose somebody, and hopefully by Friday, the time of the dinner that we have to conclude the deliberations, we will have the name of a Goan player.
Elaborating on the agenda of the team's visit to Goa, Mr. Vaz said that he hoped that a team from Goa would be able to visit Leicester in the near future, as did Craig White, coach of Leicester City Football Club.
There is no agenda to this visit other than to make sure that we establish that strong football link between our two countries, between the state of Goa and the great city of Leicester. We would very much like to see a Goa 11 coming to the UK as soon as the logistics allow. I don't know whether we can guarantee sunshine in the UK, but we certainly will guarantee you some good football.
But we don't just want to come for one visit, we want to see it as a big plan for the future. So we use this as a stepping stone to go further, and we'd like to host, hopefully next year, the Goan people to come across to Leicester City Football Club and play some games there.
The PWD Minister Churchill Alamau thanked Mr. Vaz for taking such an initiative for promoting football ties between Leicester and Goa.
And I know Mr. Keith Vaz are very, very anxiously waiting the Goan India team should be come up, or should be go for the World Cup. And he is trying the best. When I was visited in England, that he told me about this, why that football is not coming up India. So his minds are lots to do. First of all, I must give a thanks for him. What is done today, the first job, when the Leicester, the team, the 16, he brought it here, and we'll see how our boys are playing with them.
Tara Ultimo Private Limited, in association with Alcon Enterprise, launched its first jewellery store in Goa at Porvorim recently.
Tara Ultimo Private Limited is one of India's leading jewellery exporter and a two-time winner of the International Supplier of the Year award from the renowned American retailer Walmart. Tara has a collection in plain gold and studded jewellery. Goa 365 spoke to Akash Kunto, the director of Alcon Enterprise, who told us more.
My name this 75 square meter area, we have set up a diamond and gold jewelry setup, in which we have in gold and diamonds we have a full breakup of the structure, as in how much diamond, what's the carat, what's the weight of the diamond, labor for gold, labor for the gold carat wise. So the breakup is available of the price, so the customers get a better idea in how much they have to purchase the whole item with. So they are also satisfied in which of the whole setup.
The ongoing Konkani drama competition organized by the Kala Academy in Panjim featured a humorous drama presented by Abhiyan Art Productions, Porvorim.
The drama titled Aa Bhail Mujhe Maar is the Konkani version of the Hindi drama written by Sharad Kataria and translated into Konkani by Govind Raikar. We bring you snippets from this slapstick comedy today.
अजूनही मिळू ना कितें करता मागीर सोद मरे हांव सोदू हांगा एकटो आयला रे हेबो विचार तुका 5 मिनटान फोन करता या त्र्यंबकेश्वर पत्रकार कितें जालें ए म्हाका सांग आज रातचो तूं कितें करतलो आज रातचो हांव न्हिदतलो हॅलो अभिजीत अरे तुका कितें सांगू हांगा एक ग्रेट न्यूज आयला अरे तो आता आमच्या पार्टीक आयलो न्ही तर अरे हे कितें केलें तुवें म्हजे हांव नमस्कार करतलो नमस्कार करता हांव कितें गणपती रे तुवें म्हाका सिनेरीन जोक करता म्हटलो न्ही म्हणून म्हटलं तुमच्या पांया पडया सॉरी आं बँड धाडवलें ती हात दी नाका गरज ना हे पळय तूं वच मातसो वचूं वच मागीर पळय तें वच तूं
We end this bulletin with clippings from the annual Kantara competition being held at the Kala Academy in Panjim. With that, we come to an end of this news bulletin. We'll be back with more from the news desk of Goa 365. Until then, goodbye.